Good afternoon, everyone. This is Compost Chicken Greens Plus. In this case, plus a Poshmark unboxing. This is one of two previously missing in action boxes from Poshmark, plus Poshmark sellers. I believe by the feeling of this, it is two gigantic scarves that I bought. Hopefully, I didn't have a misunderstanding with the seller who said they were made out of wool. What I want is wool made from sheep, not just the generic term of wool, meaning yarn, meaning could be made from anything, like plastic or silk or wool or whatever, mohair. Hopefully this is actually wool. And I will show you, or at least tell you and show you how to tell, at least if the item that you have is a natural substance or whether it is, wow, this is an awkward thing, whether it is made out of plastic. A little special hint is go get yourself a lighter and whatever item you wish to find out whether it's made out of synthetic or a natural substance or a combination of them. So anyways, I don't know where my handy dandy key went. It's on another key ring, I think. But we have this little knife on this. Here we go. Clothing samples. Oh, this is a reused box. Thank you, seller. I really like when people reuse boxes and other packaging. Let's see. Probably open it enough with this. Awkward. Wasn't expecting to take so long. There we go. That's better. And let's see if I'm right. Oh, no, it's not what I thought it was. Seller, dear seller, parceled this up so well that it didn't make sounds, which would have given it away. This is a frying pan made in Germany, as you can see. I saw this and thought, hey, that's really nice, because now we can have some good quality pots and pans in our Airbnb/rental units, instead of the ones that a lot of them were left behind were Teflon, which is really not good for you. Some nice placemats. Can't quite tell what the... I could tell you, and I will show you how to figure out what material these are made out of in a moment while I unpack the rest of this. There's some more placemats and a cute little pillow. I don't quite remember all these items being something I bought, but here we go. These are the prices, but this is not these prices reflect what they were listed in the well, these are extras then. Huh. Yes, Michelle, I think, yes, I've bought from her before. She's very generous. I bought these two items. I'll have to look on my phone on the Poshmark website to tell you whether or not those were the only things I bought from her. I swear to God, I only bought those two items off her. So these are extra things. Yep, there's the cheese grater from IKEA. Parmesan cheese grater. It has a nice rubber bottom so it doesn't slide around. Yeah, I don't remember all these other things being bought. A window on the street. Thank you. Oh, it's poetry. Very cool. And a shawl. Yeah, I'm positive I didn't buy these. So she must have thrown them in as extras. Thank you so much, Michelle. You're pretty sure I've bought from you before, and you're always a good seller. So yeah, here I will show you how to determine what the fabric is. What you do is you grab yourself a handy dandy little lighter, which would be Oh, not in there. That's where my headphones are at the moment. These are Apple with the old style. I prefer this because a lot of the phones that use the other kind now have a 2-in-1 phone phone charge outlet port, whatever, as well as it doubles as the ear jack, which is a real pain if you want to listen to something at the same time as charge your phone. So here we have a handy dandy lighter, and yes, I smoke weed, and this is quite handy. It's called a one-hit. Getting a lot of education here, folks, when I was just trying to do a Poshmark unboxing. So, one of the things you can do, I usually try to cut a piece off, but you can also do this, is you go like this. There, let's see what happened. It smells natural, but also has synthetic smell to it as well. So, it's kind of difficult. So if it smells like burnt hair or burnt feathers and turns to ash, then chances are it's something like silk or wool or mohair, which is a type of, similar to wool, being the sheep-made wool as opposed to the generic term. Yeah. It does not smell like wool. So chances are it's some sort of synthetic. Now, if it smells like burnt feathers or burnt hair, but also melts or turns to ash, this actually becomes hard. So it is that synthetic. Can't tell you what kind of synthetic, but it's a synthetic, which is fine. These would be very, very expensive if they're actual animal wool. But that's lovely, Michelle. These are great. I'm going to add these to my Airbnb. I don't make money on it yet. My family has 2 units, 2 apartments that are still not, well, they haven't been emptied by my family yet. I live in the basement. Here we are. They haven't been emptied yet to be rented. My dad and my aunt will be moving into a house they got, which leaves 2 units open for Airbnb/rental, so we can actually make money in this building rather than just lose it, because the fitness center does not pay all the bills. Gym memberships notwithstanding, it's still not enough to pay all the bills. So, anyways, there you have a little demonstration of how to determine whether you have a synthetic or a natural substance fiber. If it would be, say, cotton or linen, it would either smell like very little or it'd smell like burnt wood, but it would also turn to ash. So these are synthetic. Now I'm not going to try to burn this, it really doesn't matter. I don't want to know, don't care. It's a cute little pillow and a book of poetry, very cool. I'll put that up in the Airbnb or perhaps in the fitness center in the area where I've got a nice chair and a coffee table so people can sit and read, and a cute little basket that'll be coming in handy. I have lots of things that need to be in baskets. So anyways, if you like what you see, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell, share. Sharing is caring. And like I said, that's the price that these were listed, but I got a much better deal than those. This person, I believe, is somebody I've sold and bought from before, and she's a wonderful seller. I will be putting her name or her Poshmark link in the description so you can join in and fill her inbox or fill her wallet with money. And anyways, hope you like what